Hi, I'm Sarah and you're watching Soon Sessions. I'm going to be playing a song called Wandering Stanger from my new EP. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
It was just one more song, one more simple song would I play along. It was just one more drink and a quiet talk. I didn't think that it would be something to play in my mind for days and days. That you could be someone, step into my